Yes, robotic or automatic self-cleaning litter boxes are available and can significantly reduce the effort required to maintain your cat's litter area. Welcome back to this Clark's Cleaning and Home Services informative channel. Here are some top-rated options. The Litter Robot 4 is a premium self-cleaning litter box that automatically separates waste from clean litter after each use. It features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to monitor waste levels, usage, and even track your cat's weight through a companion app. It's suitable for households with multiple cats and offers enhanced odor control. An earlier model from Whisker, the Litter Robot 3 Connect, offers similar self-cleaning functionality with Wi-Fi connectivity. While it lacks some of the advanced features of the Litter Robot 4, it remains a reliable and more affordable option. The PetSafe ScoopFree uses crystal litter and an automatic raking system to remove waste into a sealed compartment, helping to control odors. It's a more budget-friendly option, though it may require more frequent maintenance compared to the Litter Robot models. Other notable options. Casa Leo's Loo 2, praised for its high-quality materials, spacious interior, and effective odor control. InstaChew Purr Clean, a budget-friendly choice that's easy to set up and quieter, though it might be less spacious for larger cats. Casa M1, suitable for larger cats, offering ample space and user-friendly smart features. These robotic litter boxes can greatly simplify cat care by automating the cleaning process and controlling odors. Prices vary depending on features and brand, so consider your specific needs and budget when choosing the right one for your household. Your cats will love you. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more hands-free tips.